Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a sports lover and you are also a crypto investor, there is some very good news. There have been recently there have been many occasions when many of these sponsorship deals in sports, in different kind of sports, have been done by the crypto brands. So the crypto platforms, the exchanges, the exchanges. So all in all, it's actually a great news for crypto investors, and is also benefiting the sport that it's sponsoring. Today I'm going to talk about three different platforms who've been sponsoring 3 to 4 different games or sports, and that to me is a new dimension in the sponsorship and partnership arrangements that the exchanges will have. And what that would do is that will eventually pave way for a much larger crypto ecosystem, for which will be good for all the investors and for all the developers, as well as for the solutions that these cryptos bring in. So I'm going to talk about those today and the implications that the crypto investors, should keep in their minds. So let's begin. So before we do that, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you are informed every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what you are actually looking for. And also please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So with that, let's begin. So first, let's look at how crypto companies are fast catching up on the world sports. So the popular crypto platform, crypto.com, I'm sure a lot of people will be using that, struck 2 major multi-million-dollar deals with the wrestling tournament UFC and Formula One. So the first one, UFC, was worth $175 million. And the one with the racing magnum, which is Formula One, was $100 million. So that itself is the starting point for crypto investment going into these sports, the realm of sports, the sport ecosystem. There are many implications that would come in through these particular partnerships or sponsorships. I'll talk about that in the next slide. There is the one of the largest crypto exchanges in India, WazirX. They actually sponsored or did a lot of promotion on UEFA Euro 2020 last year. So those who have watched that, you may have seen WazirX promo over there, and you can actually trade on that around the world. The third one is COINDCX, which is also one of the top crypto exchanges in India. Now they have become a title sponsor for the upcoming India and Sri Lanka T20 cricket series, which is going to start, I think, later this week. And the series will be named as the COINDCX T20 Cup. So that's the one on the right is the logo of that particular of the series with COINDCX logo inside. So that all in all is really great news for the sport world, and also the sporting world, and also the crypto world, because crypto is now is going to be a legitimate part of the sporting world. So now let's try and evaluate, what do these sponsorships, tell crypto investors? There are a few takeaways from these partnerships for the crypto investors. The first one is these crypto exchanges or platforms mean real business, so they're not fooling around. They mean real business because they're putting in their monies into the sponsorships. The second one is obviously because they're putting in monies into their into these sponsorships, they're not the fly-by-night operations. They are here for the long term. They're going to stay there, and obviously that's good news for the investors because if you're using these exchanges to trade, you are pretty much in a safe hands because you're going to put in their monies into their wallet, so your monies are safe as long as you're trading, with legally and are not over invested. Your monies would be safe. They are led by great leadership who's providing strategic direction, which is very, very obvious. If you go and do a bit of research on these platforms, they are all led by great people, and they have a team. It's not that one or two people who are leading, who are behind the team, behind the company. They have a team. They're a team of a good number of people. It's a company that's running these exchanges. Their platform exchanges, their platform exchange is credible. So that's also a big plus. So obviously each one of them is credible. Otherwise, they will not be, putting in so much money into these big tournaments, big sporting events. So that's so obvious. The last one is crypto trading is here to stay and will evolve despite calls for stringent regulation. So in yesterday's video, I'd spoken about Senator Elizabeth Warren, who's asking the SEC for stringent regulations on crypto trading. I will put a link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. So, despite all of that, these exchanges are going to stay and they're going to comply with all the regulations put in by not just SEC but even the country market regulations, and they will ensure that the investors they are safe, their interests are taken care of. So, summary, this particular collaboration or sponsorship or whatever you call it, between the crypto exchanges and the different sporting events is great news for the crypto world. It just goes to say that the crypto world is evolving. You will obviously see a lot of those fly-by-night operations or tokens or crypto to fade away over a period of time. But the ones who would stay behind or remain there would be the cream de la cream. So the creme de la creme. Sorry. So those would be the cryptos to invest in and the exchanges to be used for those for trading of crypto. So that's the overall summary of this particular video. So that's it, guys. So as you know, I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about my journey when after I quit my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job back in 2010, the challenges I faced, all that I did to set up two companies in India and in Singapore, as well as sales representations in the US market. I also put in worksheets to try and gauge your mind to see how you stand a chance to become an entrepreneur. You could score yourself based on those worksheets, and you would see how much where you stand to become an entrepreneur. And the cool thing is, scored myself as well based on my mindset back in 2010. You would see how much I scored. So the ebook is available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put that in the description box below. All you have to do is to put down a name and email address and a link to download the book. The ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. So, thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You would find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Please go ahead and connect with me. If you are looking to engaging me as a consultant, where I could look at solving your business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges, which I do for many companies, you could write to me on my contact page of my website, whose URL will be in the description box below, or you could message me after you connected with me on LinkedIn. So then we will get into a call and see how we can work together. So that's it, guys. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell. Please comment on my videos. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my curation, from my knowledge, and from my videos. So take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye-bye.